Historical background.
The MacArthur Memorial Marker is a commemorative monument located near the Fort Macpalan in Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. It honors General Douglas MacArthur arrival at Macabalan North in 1942 during his retreat from Philippines to Australia to against the Japanese occupation, World War II.
The marker symbolizes the city's connection to the significant wartime event, as MacArthur passes through this point before fulfilling his famous promise.
I shall return.
Did you know this memorial marker is not original where General Douglas MacArthur arrived at the barangay? The original marker was constructed in 1970 under the leadership of Constantino Haraula, the president of Lions Club. This structure was later demolished due to further development of the seaport. In the second structure, which is this structure, was built in 1994 near the same location, made again by Haraula.
The current MacArthur Memorial Marker, beginning on March 14, 2008, is the most prominent version today. One of the monument's most iconic design elements is a large skeletal version of MacArthur's signature military cap, known as the Scrambled Egg Hat, due to the ornate gold embroidery on the visor, which signifies high rank.
Surrounding the monument, 5 stars, representing MacArthur's rank as 5-star general, the highest possible rank in U.S. military.
P.T. Walter Seca at the center of the structure is a replica of U.S. FFE P.T. bomb. The small patrol torpedo boat that carried MacArthur and his encourage during his escape from Corregidor, passing through Cagayan de Oro to Australia.
When it comes to historical recognition, this site is officially recognized as historical landmark by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, or what we call NHCP, emphasizing its national importance.
More than just a tribute to a military figure, the MacArthur Memorial Marker serves as a symbol of courage, leadership, and resilience of the Filipino people during wartime.
It stands as a historical reminder of the city's roles in the World War II and its lasting connection to General MacArthur's journey.
March 3 for 3 years old.
I like the view.
The Memorial Marker began on March 14, 2008. It's the most, mawala yung